Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, August 19th. Well, the heat and humidity built up over the weekend in the Mid-Atlantic region. It looks like today we'll see high temperatures at or slightly above 90 degrees in Philadelphia, New York City metro regions, up and down that stretch of the I-95 corridor, probably the low to mid-90s in the D.C. metro region. There can be some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and tonight, but not a widespread expectation for those showers and thunderstorms. However, any shower or thunderstorm that forms not only this afternoon or tonight, but really over the next 2 or 3 days can produce some heavy rainfall and some flash flooding. We have a very humid air mass in place here in the Mid-Atlantic region, so any storm that forms can certainly produce some heavy rainfall with high rainfall amounts in a short period of time. We'll have a few weak frontal systems to deal with over the next few days, and then a stronger cold front should work its way through the area on Friday and may stall out a little bit, but then it should push to the south and east, allowing for potentially a very nice weekend here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, as we start off the new work week, first of all, we have a little low pressure area off the eastern seaboard. This kind of was a tropical-like system, but it looks like it will not reach tropical storm status, pulling away right now, but we have a warm frontal system all the way up in New England, and then a weak cool frontal system cutting across the Midwest here. These couple of fronts will really kind of meander back and forth. The warm front may actually turn around and come back south and west as a kind of a backdoor cool front on Tuesday, maybe a little bit cooler tomorrow, for example, in New York City than the 90 degrees expected today, and then I'll turn back and go back to the north and east as a warm front at midweek. This weak front just stalls out in the area, and it's really this frontal system up here in the northern plains, southwestern part of Canada, where there's going to be a nice strong cold, high cold for this time of the year, pushing into that part of Canada, and slowly but surely that'll work its way south and east, probably producing a nice weekend here in the Mid-Atlantic region with a frontal passage during the day on Friday. Well, here's a current radar map of the U.S. here, and a couple things I want to point out. First of all, not much going on in the Mid-Atlantic region right now. Again, shower thunderstorm activity today and tonight should be rather scattered in the Mid-Atlantic region, maybe 20 or 30% chance of getting hit. But again, as I mentioned at the top here, any shower or storm that forms in this very humid air mass can produce some heavy rainfall. Notice basically the same kind of pattern we've had for months now, really. It seems like some scattered activity in the eastern two-thirds of the nation, but dry out west. This is the area to watch in terms of potential tropical activity over the next several days. Basically have a frontal system that has stalled out, and it continues to remain entrenched in that particular area. There is, again, a little bit of a low pressure area right now moving off the coast, probably will not strengthen into tropical storm status, but always have to watch the Gulf of Mexico this time of the year, especially in the tail end of a frontal system where potentially some tropical activity could form here. But again, some nothing more than widely scattered showers and thunderstorms this morning. They'll become more numerous this afternoon, but still not anything more than maybe scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. More numerous showers and storms will occur on Tuesday afternoon and evening. Well, let's take a look at last night's 6C GFS model run. We'll look at the surface forecast maps here. Again, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms this morning. This little bit of a circle here represents that low pressure system off the Mid-Atlantic coastline, pulling away to the north and east. Probably will not develop into tropical storm status. Let's push ahead here, and some scattered showers and thunderstorms later today into tonight. Then as we go into the day on Tuesday, a little bit more active weather situation. In fact, tomorrow afternoon and evening could certainly see some heavy downpours in the Mid-Atlantic region in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. We have a pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms, more numerous showers and thunderstorms later tomorrow into tomorrow night, any one of which can produce some heavy rainfall, and given the saturated grounds, watch out for flash flooding as well. That frontal system that will enhance our rain threat on Tuesday will basically stall out, and Wednesday itself will continue to be Very warm and humid. Notice this 576 thickness line here right along the Pennsylvania-Maryland border. That will be the case for the next few days. But watch what happens as we get into the end of the week. We definitely cool off some by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday time frame. There we go. Some showers and thunderstorms possible on Wednesday, and that threat continues right here into Thursday. We are now at Thursday afternoon, 576 thickness right up to near, let's say, northern Delaware, northern Maryland region. But look at this beautiful thing to see this time of the year is high pressure to our north and west over Canada here, and then as we go into the late afternoon on Thursday, into Thursday evening, this is that stronger cool frontal system. Again, we'll have a series of weak fronts that impact the region over the next few days, and then a stronger cool front, the one that's way out in the northwestern part of the nation right now. Looks like it'll come through Thursday night into Friday. It may slow down a little bit, could cause some residual shower and thunderstorm activity on Friday, especially in the southern part of the Mid-Atlantic region, but ultimately it comes through, and here we go. Strong high pressure over southeastern Canada, north of the Great Lakes here by Friday morning. Look at that thickness line, 564 thickness dropping southward into the heart of Pennsylvania, 570 all the way down south of D.C., indicating cooler air. It looks like another refreshing air mass coming just in time for the weekend, and here we go. Into Friday evening, 570 thickness south of the D.C. area. High pressure to the north and west. Stays in control, looks like, right through the upcoming week. And here we are Saturday night. And then finally into the day on Sunday. Still high pressure in control. 564 thickness cutting across Pennsylvania. Looks like potentially a comfortable air mass for the upcoming weekend. It's a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday maybe a little bit of a delay, but we'll see about that. But certainly if there's residual shower and thunderstorm activity on Friday, that'll get out of the way, it looks like, for Saturday and Sunday. But in the meantime, very humid air, high temperatures at or above 90 degrees today and tomorrow, and the potential for some heavy downpours in any shower or thunderstorm that forms not only this afternoon and tonight, but Tuesday, Wednesday, into Thursday as well. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.